So why don't tutorials work? This is one of the most common questions I get asked. Like, I'm stuck in tutorial hell. What should I do? And the most common answer to this type of questions is to do projects. Like, why don't you build some projects? And student will be like, okay, I tried building some projects and I'm not too sure where I'm going with this project or I'm learning enough. So what should they do? I think I found the root cause of tutorial hell. So what happened is, let's say someone is trying to learn something new, right? So they do the language. Let's say they're doing JavaScript or TypeScript, right? So they start learning the language, they follow some tutorial on YouTube, Udemy, and they feel like they're getting momentum, they're learning new things, right? Because every time an instructor teaches them new things, they're like, okay, I'm learning new thing. And after some time, they feel like they are forgetting whatever they learn. So how can they keep this information in their mind and they can start building real things? Because in the job, you have to work on real things which are used by real human beings like us. So what should they do? And they want to get a job, right? That's the sole purpose of, so that they can learn new things and they can apply those things to get those jobs. I think there is a core misunderstanding with tutorials. First of all, I like tutorials. I read tutorials all the time. I watch tutorials all the time. I make tutorials, right? So putting all the blame on tutorials is, I think, it's wrong. So a lot of advice on YouTube is don't get stuck in this tutorial hell, build something, right? And I see people who are building things and they feel like they're not learning enough. I think I found the root cause. See, in school, they teach you stuff systematically. As you go up in class, the subject is getting harder. That's the common knowledge, because as you're growing, your brain is developing, you're learning new skills, and it is expected that you will do hard things later on. And I see a lot of time students keep this mindset even after they graduated, they completed their college or university. They keep this mindset where they feel like they have to have a roadmap of everything in life or in coding. They need to find a pattern, they're looking for a pattern. Okay, what can I do first, second, third, fourth, and I have a job. And there are a lot of people who are selling this, and I'm not saying that's all bad, but this mindset is the root cause of tutorial hell, because students are looking for a ladder, a roadmap. Give me roadmap, give me React's roadmap, give me web development roadmap, and I can give you, but there cannot be one path to everyone, right? If you are coming from some different background, you might have some slightly different path. Maybe you're coming from a language like Java, or someone coming from Python. They might need to tweak their strategy a bit so that they can learn better, right? So first of all, you need to forget this roadmap mindset that, okay, give me roadmap. How can I build this? How can I get a job in 10 steps? So how can I get a job, let's say, in 10 months or 1 year, right? I'm not saying those advice are bad, but life is messy. Coding is messy. Learning anything is messy. There are lots and lots of unknowns. And if you think that you need to know about those unknown in the beginning, that is not possible. And this is tutorial hell, because everyone feels like there is a roadmap, there is a path, and I'm not getting that path. But in reality, there is no path. Everyone is making their own path. So if you want to get out of tutorial hell, you have to make mistakes. You have to spend time on things you feel like, oh, I just wasted 6 months doing this. But nobody knew in the beginning. I wasted so much of my time learning things which I'm not using it now. But you can't live your life that way, that everything has to be perfect, everything has to be predetermined. Life doesn't happen that way. So if you want to get out of tutorial hell, my advice to you is get messier with life. Yes, you need to find patterns, and you will, but don't be afraid of spending time on things which may not give you what you want in the future, because no one knows. Maybe the time you spent learning a technology, maybe you get a job in that technology and your life will be good, right? Or maybe you'll okay, oh man, I wasted 6 months, 1 year doing or learning this technology and it has no future. So my advice to you, if you want to get out of tutorial hell, is forget about this mindset of roadmap or a path. There is no path. You are going to build your own path. Thanks a lot for watching.